Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. A conversation between two friends in a restaurant. Imagine you are in a restaurant. I'm friend 1. You're friend 2. Let's start. Hey there. Thanks for meeting me for lunch. This place looks amazing. I heard their sushi is top-notch. I can't wait to dig in. I know, right? Life's been pretty hectic lately with work and all, but I'm excited to take a break and spend some quality time with you. So, tell me, any juicy gossip or exciting news in your life lately? No way, that's amazing. When are you going? That sounds like an incredible adventure. I'm so happy for you. I'd love that. You know I'm always up for an adventure, especially if it involves delicious food. Agreed. But before we dive in, here's to friendship, food, and fantastic adventures. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.